Good morning, students. In our last class, we discussed what is purchasing and purchase department and what are the objectives of purchasing. Now we are going to discuss another topic of purchasing, that is functions of purchasing. So before starting today's concept, I want to remind you what is purchasing. So purchasing, we can say that, or in narrow sense, purchasing means it is an act of buying the goods at a price. But this concept of purchasing was changed in last 70 years. And the areas of purchasing or the concept of purchasing getting more and more wider. And in broad sense, we can say that purchasing is a managerial activity which goes beyond the traditional role. Means purchasing involves number of activities like selection of material to be procured, the identification of vendor from whom the organization procured the raw materials, and it involves the activities of developing a suitable procedure for placing the order and follow up the order and inspecting the raw materials received by the organization from the supplier. So nowadays, the areas of purchasing getting more and more wider, and the purchase manager should have to perform number of functions before purchasing. Means the purchase manager should have to perform various functions like before purchasing, he has the responsibility to identify the quantity and quality of raw material the organization should have to procure. After identifying the quantity and quality of raw material to be procured, he has the responsibility to identify a good vendor or good supplier from whom the organization procure the best valuable goods at least possible price. And after that, he has the responsibility to develop a proper procedure for placing the order. Means he has the responsibility to develop a develop a purchase order, and after that he has the responsibility to follow up the order, and he has the responsibility to what inspect the quality and quantity of raw material that is received by the organization from the supplier. Means he has the responsibility to check the quality and quantity of raw material that is supplied by the supplier is according to the standard or is according to the order or not. He has the responsibility to inspect that one. So this is the concept of purchasing. Purchasing nowadays, we can say that it is a managerial activity which involves number of functions like selection of material to be procured, identification of supplier from whom the organization procured the raw materials, and after that development of proper procedure for placing the order, and after that follow up the order and inspect the quality and quantity of raw material that organization received from the supplier. So this is the concept of purchasing. Now we are going to discuss another topic of purchasing, that is functions of purchasing or purchase department. So there are two types of purchasing function. First one is the responsibility related to purchasing and other functions of purchasing. So first one is the responsibility related to purchasing. This is the main or basic function of purchase department. As a purchase manager, he is to perform number of activities on day-to-day basis. So as a purchase manager, he is to perform number of basic functions. And what are the functions under responsibility related to purchasing is the main responsibility of a purchase manager. So we can say that the functions related to responsibility related to purchasing is the main or basic responsibility of a purchase manager. So first function of purchasing department is to responsibility related to purchasing. Under it, there are number of functions the organization should have to, or the purchase department should have to perform. So whatever the functions related to responsibility related to purchasing, let me discuss one by one in detail. First one is the obtain price. First function of purchase department is to obtain a minimum price for the raw material, because the organization's main intention is to procure the raw material at least possible price. Means organization's main intention is to procure most valuable goods at least possible price, because the raw material price or the material price has a major impact on the total cost of the organization. Means if the organization wants to reduce the cost of production, it has to procure the raw material at less cost. If the purchase department procure the goods at less cost, then only it is possible for the organization to reduce the total cost of the production, because material cost constitute a larger part of the total cost. So purchase department's main intention or purchase manager's main responsibility is to identify a least possible price for the most valuable raw material, so that organization can able to reduce the total cost of the production. If the purchase department procure the raw material or acquire the raw material at least price, then it helps the purchase department to, or it helps the organization to reduce the total cost of the organization. So basic function or the main function of purchase department is to get a minimum possible price for the raw material. Means it has the responsibility, it is the responsibility of purchase manager to identify a particular price at which the organization procure the goods. Means the purchase manager should have the knowledge related to the price of a raw material that the organization should have to procure, and the purchase manager should have to procure the raw material at least possible price, so that organization able to reduce the total cost of the production. Next function of purchase department is selecting vendors. Another function the purchase department has to perform, that is selection of vendor. Means the organization should have to, or the purchase department should have to identify a good supplier who can provide good qualitative goods at less price, and who can supply the goods on a continuous manner, so that production can be done in an uninterrupted manner. So main function of purchasing department or the main responsibility of purchase manager is to identify a good supplier from whom the organization procure the goods. So identifying a good vendor is not an easy task for the purchasing department. For identification of a good supplier, the purchasing department invites tender. So organization of the purchase department, after inviting tender, it receives number of quotations, and in quotations there are number of price catalogs, and by comparing the price catalog of different suppliers, the purchase manager can able to identify the minimum possible price for the raw material, and the purchase manager, the purchase department can able to identify the reliable supplier also. So by analyzing the price catalog or the quotation given by the supplier, the purchase department can able to identify a good supplier or good vendor for the organization, so that the organization can able to get good qualitative raw materials at less cost, and there is a continuity of supply also, and the production can done in a uninterrupted manner. Next function of purchasing or purchase department is to giving purchase order. After identifying a good supplier or good vendor by purchase department, it is the responsibility of purchase manager is to develop a proper purchase order, and it is the responsibility of purchase manager is to develop procedure for placing the order. Next, the purchase manager should have to identify the quantity of raw material that has to be procured, and accordingly he has to prepare the purchase order, and he send it to the supplier. Means he place a order to the supplier. So as per the quantity and quality mentioned in the purchase order, the supplier supply the goods to the organization. So next function of purchasing is to giving purchase order, means placing the purchase order to the supplier, and accordingly the supplier supplies the quantity and quality of goods to the organization at a particular time. So next function of purchasing department is to follow up delivery. So after placing the orders to the supplier, next functions of purchase department or next responsibility of purchase manager is to follow up the order. So whatever the order he placed to the supplier, he has the responsibility to check he has the responsibility to check that whether the supplier supply the goods to the organization in a proper time or not. Means he started whether the supplier started delivering the goods or not. He has the responsibility to follow the delivery. He has the responsibility to check he has the responsibility to check the order he placed. Next function of purchasing or purchase department is to inspect the delivery of material. So after follow up the order, when the raw material received by the organization, it is the responsibility of purchase department or purchase manager is to inspect the delivered material. So whatever the material received by the organization is as per the order or not. Whatever the quantity and quality of raw material received by the organization, the purchase manager should have to inspect that one, so that the organization can able to identify that whatever the goods the organization receive is a standard one. And if the organization receive the standard raw material, then organization can able to produce the qualitative goods and able to produce according to the requirement. And the purchase managers not only responsible not only the purchase manager is not only responsible for checking or inspecting the raw materials that is received by the organization from the supplier, and the purchase manager should have the responsible for outgoing raw materials or outgoing finished goods also. Means after receiving the qualitative raw materials, when the organization produces the goods and when the organization produces the finished goods, he has the responsibility to check the quality and check the quality of the produced goods, the quality of the finished goods. After inspecting the quality of the finished goods, the product or the finished goods is sent to the market for selling. So next function of purchasing or purchase department is to inspect the deliver of material. Means he is the responsibility who the purchase manager having the responsibility to inspect the quality and quantity of raw material that is received by the organization from the supplier. And after that, the purchase manager or the purchase department has the responsibility to check the quality of finished goods that is produced in the factory. After checking or after inspecting the quality of raw material, the quality of finished goods, the product is sent to the market. Next function of purchase department is to settlement of complaint. So another function or another responsibility of purchase manager is to settlement of complaint. Whatever the complaint receives from the customer by the organization, it is the responsibility of purchase manager to resolve that one. Because uh, if the product is defective one, if the product having lack of qualities, then that is that can be resolved by the purchase department or purchase manager. Because if the purchase department or if the purchase manager procures the less qualitative raw materials, then if the purchase department procure defective raw materials, then the organization or then the production department produces what defective goods, less qualitative goods. So for making qualitative goods, for producing the qualitative goods, the organization or the production department should have to require qualitative raw materials. So qualitative raw materials can be procured by the purchasing manager, can be procured by the purchasing department. And if there is any complaint regarding what regarding the quality of the raw materials, regarding any defective of raw material, defective of finished goods, then that complaint can be settled by the purchasing department. So the purchasing department should have to look after the quality of raw material. They have for quality of raw material he received, and accordingly he is to take various steps to minimize this complaint, and accordingly he has to take various steps to procure qualitative goods, so that the production department can able to produce qualitative goods and whatever the complaints of the customer can be resolved. Whatever the quality of the raw material the purchase department procures, that can be sent to the production department for producing the goods. So if there is any defective in finished goods, or if there is any quality issue in the finished goods, then purchasing department is responsible, because purchasing department is responsible for procuring the raw material. If the raw material is qualitative one, then the then the production department can able to produce the qualitative goods. Next responsibility of purchase manager is to select and selecting and training a purchasing personnel. So another important function of purchase department is to select and training of purchasing personnel. Generally, selection and training of human resources is important function of human resource department. Human resource department, but the purchasing department or the purchasing manager has the responsibility is to select the caliber candidate for his department, so that the person can able to procure the goods at less cost. Means whatever the activity perform in purchase department, the person can able to perform that one in a most effective and efficient manner. So the purchasing department has a role to perform while selecting a good personnel for the department, good personnel for the purchasing department. After selecting a suitable personnel for the purchasing department, then with the collaboration of HRD or then the collaboration with human resource development department, it arranges a suitable training program for the potential candidates or newly and appointed candidates, so that the purchasing personnel, so that the human resources in purchasing department can able to act accordingly and can able to do everything in a most effective and efficient manner. Next function of purchasing is to maintain a good relation with the supplier. Last function or the basic function of purchase department is to maintain a good relation with the supplier. Maintaining a good relation with the supplier is most important issue for the organization. If the organization maintain a good relation with the supplier, then organization get benefit in three ways. First one is the organization can able to get qualitative raw material at less cost on a continuous manner. Means when the organization places or when purchase department places any order to the supplier are interested to supply the required quantity and quality of goods to the organization. In this way the organization get first benefit. After that, if the organization maintain a good relation with the supplier, then whatever the new raw material identified by the supplier can inform that one to the organization, that one to the purchase department, and purchase department can make various decisions related to for procuring this material, so that the organization, so that the production department can able to produce more qualitative goods. And last benefit, most important benefit the organization got if it maintain a good relation with the supplier, that is last time cancellation of order. Means when an organization places or when a purchase department places any order to the supplier, then the supplier are interested or supplier take various steps to supply the goods. So in case organization identified that there is no requirement of more raw materials, that is ordered, then at that situation the organization can cancel that one if it maintain a good relation with the supplier. So if the organization maintain a good relation with the supplier, then organization able to get various benefits, and most important benefits the organization got, that is last time cancellation of order. And apart from that, organization also get other benefit if it maintain a good relation with the supplier, that is it get discounts, gifts from the supplier. So these are the main important function of purchasing department or purchasing, or we can say that these are the main responsibility of purchase manager. As a purchase manager, he has to perform these functions on day-to-day basis. So next is other functions. I told you that there are two functions of purchasing, that is responsibility related to purchasing, that is most important function of purchasing, basic function of purchasing, and as a purchase manager he is to perform these functions on day-to-day basis. Apart from that, the purchasing department also responsible for performing other functions like obtaining technical information. Is the purchase department or the purchase manager having the responsibility to get technical information related to various raw materials, related to various products. means different raw material, the purchase department or the purchase manager get various technical information related to raw material, means how to handle the raw material, how to use the raw material. This information the purchase manager, the purchase department gets from the supplier, so that they can able to use the raw materials, handle the raw materials in a most effective and efficient way. Because every raw materials or some raw materials require special skill for operation, special way for operation. So how to handle the raw material, how to use the raw materials, that information the organization or the purchase department receives from the suppliers. So other function of purchase department or purchasing is to obtain technical information from the supplier. Next function of purchasing or purchase department is to receiving sales presentation. So main function of purchase department is to obtain a minimum or least possible price for the raw material. Means main responsibility of purchase department is to identify a particular price at which the organization procure the goods, and it has the responsibility of purchase department to select a good supplier for the organization. How the organization identify a good supplier, how a purchase department identifies a good supplier, by referring various price catalog or by referring the quotation of the supplier, it can able to identify a good supplier for the organization. After that, by receiving the sales presentation of the supplier, the purchase department can able to identify a good supplier also. In sales presentation, the supplier gives information related to the raw material, related to the raw materials that they're having, and accordingly they provides various information to the purchase department, so the purchase department can able to identify the supplier who can supply the qualitative goods on a continuous basis. Means the purchase department can able to identify a supplier who having variety of items. Next one is the scheduling orders and delivery. Means the purchase department should have to make a sequence of order. Means the purchase department or the purchase manager should have to place the order which having the first importance, and after that he has the responsibility to identify the next material that has to be ordered. Means the purchase department should have to make a sequence of order, so that there is a sequence of placing of orders also, and there is a continuity of receiving of raw material from the suppliers, so that the organization can able to produce the goods on a continuous basis. Next function of purchasing or purchase department is to inspecting the materials. After receiving or after placing the order or after follow up the order, the next function of purchase department is to inspect the materials. When the supplier supplies the goods or supplies the raw materials to the organization, it is the responsibility of purchase department or purchase manager is to inspect the quality and quantity of raw material that is received by the organization from the supplier. Means the purchase department having the responsibility to check the material, check the quality and quantity of material. Means that quantity, the supplied quantity and quality is as per the order or as per the bill or not, as per the bill mentioned in the bill or not. He is the responsibility, means purchase manager or purchase department has the responsibility to inspect that one, so that organization able to get the standard quality of raw material and production can be done according to the requirement. Next function of purchasing or purchase department is market research. So another function of purchase department or another responsibility of purchase manager is market research. Means what the purchase manager finds in market research. In market research, the purchase manager identifies that in market there are new materials are available or not. Means in market there are new materials are identified or not, are available or not. He has the responsibility to identify. And after identifying new qualitative raw material, the purchase department having the responsibility to inform to the top management about this about the invention, about the availability of new material, and accordingly organization makes various decisions to procuring the qualitative or the latest qualitative raw material, so that the organization can able to produce good qualitative goods, and the organization can able to attract more number of customers. So in case of market research, the purchase department or the purchase manager identifies the availability of new materials, availability of new qualitative raw materials, so that organization can able to plan for procuring the qualitative raw material, and the production can be done as per the requirement, and the production department can able to produce more qualitative goods. Next one is the inventory and warehousing policy. The next function of purchase department is to inventory and warehousing policy. The purchase manager has the responsibility, or the purchase department has the responsibility to make various policies related to inventory or warehousing. Means the purchase department or the purchase manager should have to identify how much the organization should have to procure. Means he is the responsibility to identify the quantity of raw material the organization should have to procure, so that minimum quantity of inventory, minimum inventory can be kept in inventory, can be kept in warehouses, so that organization warehousing cost can be reduced. And the purchasing manager also identifies the quantity of production, the quantity of purchasing, the quantity of procuring the raw materials, so that the ordering cost and carrying cost can be minimized. If the carrying cost and ordering cost can be minimized, automatically organizations transportation cost can be minimized. Next one is the transportation. Another function of purchasing department is transportation. Means the purchase department has the responsibility to identify the medium of transportation also. It analyzes various medium of transportation, and it identifies the economic way of transporting the goods, so that organization's ordering cost can be minimized. If the ordering cost is minimized, automatically organization's cost of production of the total cost can be minimized. Next function of purchase department is to purchasing for employee welfare. So the purchase department takes various steps for purchasing various materials or various things for employee welfare also. Means for providing a good qualitative good working life, and means for providing a good quality working life, whatever the requirement that can be supplied or that can be purchased by the purchase department. So purchase department's another function is to purchasing something for employee welfare, for betterment of the employee, what are the necessary things the purchase department plans to procure that one. Last function of purchasing or purchase department is to determine whether to make or buy. So main intention of purchasing department is to reduce the acquisition cost, reduce the procurement cost. So purchase department makes various analysis related to procurement of raw materials. Means purchase department analyzes that whether the raw material purchasing from outside is economical to the organization, or producing the raw material within the organization is economic to the organization. Means they have to take various decisions related to purchasing the raw material from outside or producing the raw material within the organization. This is known as make or buy decision. Means the purchase department identifies the procurement of raw material from outside, identifies the ways or identifies what the organization should have to do, whether the organization should have to procure the raw material from the outside of the organization, or the organization should have to produce this raw material within the organization. And it identifies the ways through which the organization can procure the raw materials at most economical way. Means if the organization or if the purchase department identifies that procuring the raw material from outside is most economical as compared to producing the part within the organization, then it is advisable to the organization to procure the raw material from the outside of the organization. So this is known as make or buy decisions. Main intention of purchase department is to procure the good qualitative goods at less cost, and there is a continuity of supply of goods to the organization so that the production can be done in a uninterrupted manner. So generally there are two functions of purchasing. First one is the responsibility related to purchasing. This is the main function of purchasing, and apart from that, the purchasing department should have to perform other functions. These are the other functions of purchasing department. So this is all about today's class. Thank you.